Hey everyone, I'm Derrick, and for the past few months, I've been training to become a driving instructor here in the UK. I wanted to bring you along on this journey, not just to show what it's like, but to hopefully help anyone else thinking about doing it too. So, why am I becoming a driving instructor? Why am I doing this? A career that could actually give me a bit more freedom in my life, but also give me a bit more stability for my family. My trade that I actually trained in was actually post production and music. So coming from a creative background, it's quite different going to actually becoming a driving instructor. But it was something that I felt was necessary to have more stability in my life and my career as well, especially with a family. It was something that I thought was the best way forward or best move forward for me in my stage of career right now. So driving instructor was actually the key job or career that I felt that I would be good in, and also that it would be something that's enjoyable for me. As I like driving, and most of my jobs going back have all been driving. I've been a milkman, I've been driving using Amazon Flex. We can talk about that chapter another time though, but this is mainly why I'm trying to become a driving instructor to have more stability, also do something meaningful. I think teaching people to drive felt like the right next chapter for me, a way to help people grow in confidence every single day, and also being a driving instructor can do that. So if you don't know already, becoming a driving instructor in the UK means passing three stages: your theory test, driving ability, and instruction. I'm currently in the first stage in the process. I've only been doing this a few months, and I've been learning, but it's something I thought, let me just start to record the process. And I think trying to actually document instead of just creating content videos was the most important thing for me, because you'll be able to see me from the beginning, from starting where I am now to hopefully and eventually, fingers crossed, becoming an actual driving instructor, a professional one, and being able to actually act out a lot of the things which I'm trying to share with you. So I'll be sharing everything I learned along the way, and hopefully that's of some benefit to you. Again, I'm not at the moment a professional driving instructor, but it is something I'm working towards, and I'm actually working on getting there. So, what can you expect on this channel? On this channel, you'll find trainee vlogs. I'm hoping to do a lot more vlogs, learner driving tips, and honest lessons from my own experience. Whether you're learning to drive, training to teach, or just love driving stories, there'll be something here for you. I've been driving now for over 10 to 12 years now, um, so I do have a bit of experience driving, not necessarily at a driving instructor capacity, but it's something which from having done multiple driving jobs, I would say I'm quite qualified and at good stage to actually be able to to share like my learning and share what I am actually doing right now to become a driving instructor. So again, welcome to my channel. Firstly, I'll be hopefully posting weekly, starting off, and being able to actually create more content for you to actually hear, listen to, but also I want to document the journey. So anything that I'm learning, anything that I'm doing, I'll be showing you along the journey and along the way of how it actually happened. If that sounds like your thing, hit subscribe and join me on this journey to becoming a fully qualified driving instructor. I'll be posting new videos every week, as I said, and let's get started. Hope you enjoy it.